Here we are after a long ass group stage. Start of the playoffs, and we've got Sid Reddy, Speaker Allah versus Soli and Sameer Verma. An interesting game, definitely. Yeah. And we're trying to be all cool here, don't worry. We're like season competitive.
Yeah, kinda. It was a fierce start by All Stars. They broke the serve immediately. What do you think of it? So our prediction in this match, this particular match, again, what match should we want to take? Score predictions? Do you want to go that deep? 15-9. What do you think?
There we go.
I think they played a second one.
I think they can do with some fun classes. Just fun. Either one is fun.
Definitely the more the aggressor here and so that's a good combination for both of them. Sid already looking pretty angry, so you can definitely see a lot more tries coming through. Sam doing the right thing by slowing down the game.
Not be hot.
Sid, what's your score prediction if you have to go through?
Say around 15-8, what my prediction would be. The All Stars.
If I have to say, then I would say 15-7. Let's see, we all are somewhere there. All Stars 15-7.
If I win, I get everything for free. I want to see your help the comment. Yes. The ball not bouncing like brilliant goal.
Yeah, the court looks slow and nice. That's a bad miss by Shrikar.
It'll help if you got the feet right here.
Good finish by Sid. Did you? I think Soli and Shrikar are the guys on the court, and if you see Sam and Siddharth on the other side, they're like always on it. Oh, that's a great point and a
Spectacular defense.
We hear the trademark "Let's go" from Sahiti, the captain.
I think we hear like another goal. Yes, that's true.
Yeah, she's always there standing tall, shouting loud, and getting a team the victories. And she got her team till here. How grateful for her.
Definitely very good defense by Nandi so far. Shrikar,
A great point going on.
Beautiful angles.
footfall by Sid. Yeah, definitely looked like it.
Sid almost got us the point of the day, but tough luck. Yeah.
He's a really good commentator though.
Yeah, for sure. Especially after those two Diet Coke down.
Sunday looking like he's going to show off his duty-free sunglasses.
In association with Hyderabad University, whatever.
Soli's got better shades though.
I agree. I think the black is better than white.
I agree.
I think the white's a bit too sporty.
You guys also rocking shades.
How great it sounds.
It's unfortunate the camera is not showing us, but the players. Yeah.
Tough luck by Samir. I think Siddharth's aggression would definitely fumble Surali at one point or the other, but as of now, it's not giving them so much of. I mean, it's straight on his body, so he doesn't have a chance as of now. If you see, all of them are straight body on his chest, so if he gets it a little wide on his forehand or backhand, he'll go for it definitely.
Yeah, he's playing a patient game.
That's a little unusual from great defense by Sid.
A couple of very uncharacteristic errors in a row.
Right when we spoke about the sunglasses.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the trick. Make it four.
Yeah. So we're at 3-3.
If you
The Nandi
see,
Chargers winning 3 quick points.
if you see the strategy, they are not holding back on attacking Sam. They are going for it. In fact, they got all the 4 points on the Sam side, but this one, yeah.
Come back.
So,
Rishabh, you being a captain for the Raptors, what would, if you were the captains of captain of either the All Stars or the Nandi Chargers, what would your pairing be, or what would you have done different?
the pairing on the other side, I mean, if you see Nandi Charger, I think it's good. One is hard, one is soft. And here, I don't think Sam should hold back. He should keep playing aggressive. It's okay if he misses a couple of balls. But otherwise, I think this is good. Because I feel there always has to be one guy who's good with aggression and the other guy has to be really, really good. If you see, Sam and Sid are the ones who are going for it. And yeah, that's very difficult. Siddharth fast hand. I've been there. So far, Nandi is on fire. A great comeback and they're holding on to it.
Fumbled in the middle. All the balls on the middle, they're both going for it.
Slight disturbance from the camera guys for shooting. Yeah, he looks a bit impatient today.
Two good shots so far. Right when I said it, Shrikar hits it to the net. The score is 3-5. 1 to the All Stars.
Good return and they're stacking again now. A great hand by Sid. Keeping the ball low. A great hands and block by Sid, but tough miss by Shaker. I think this is the perfect thing which they're doing right now. They got to attack and they got to stay on their toes. Get some points. Yeah. No bad errors by Nandi as of now. Oh, I just jinxed it.
So we're at 5 all with the All
There's some
Stars
fight happening.
charging now. Yep.
For real.
So a few unforced errors by the Nandi Chargers.
Nandi is actually doing a great job to get these guys onto the net. Great hands. Great point by Soli. It's all him on the court. Great defense and then a pop by Shrikar. I think he did an amazing job. Yeah, I think our score predictions are gonna go.
Yeah, looks a
Mine
pretty close
for
game. Yeah, Samir called it out, but then Soli still went for the shot. I think he was off balance.
Yeah, it was too much on his chest.
We have a fifth player on the court, the camera guy as well. He's moving quicker than the players. Good fast
Point
hands.
by Said.
Good. The dink almost went in. I think this next phase will be pretty crucial for both the teams.
Great
Very
finish
good
by
backhand smash.
Shrikar.
Jordan's going to be aggressive on this one. Great serve followed by great return.
Looks like the strategist is standing behind and giving him strategies.
I'm pretty surprised that the score is 6-all, especially the way the game started.
Go down to the unforced errors. The Chargers
Yeah, the Chargers are continuing their streak of getting good comebacks and converting them to great strike by Shrikar. Actually keeping the ball really low. Samir has no chance to speed it up or do anything except.
I think Sam has gone for this move 4 times this game. Quickly going for sits. Yes, backhand. Yep.
Great reset by Soli. I think all 4 guys are doing a great job on putting the third shot drop and coming in closer to the net.
Still trying to figure out what the role of Sanjay is. He's a player, mentor, coach. Okay, fair point.
He is just keeping it really nice and Samir missed. Good speed up though, but good lead by Samir as you said.
My bad if you heard that.
Yeah,
For the break, yes.
back.
What do you guys think so far?
Bit disappointed with how Nandi played the past 4 points. Because they're being a bit aggressive till they got to 6-6. In the last 2 unforced errors kind of put them in the back foot, but hoping for a better second half of the first game.
What do you think Sam and Soldier think?
Sam just being Sam. Hey Miharu, you just chill. You just keep the ball and I got the rest sorted.
What do you think?
I think he's telling him to buy another sunglasses from the duty free.
No, he's asking where he got his glasses from. Those send me the link, no? Yeah, Saran's running on court.
Warming up for
Like he wants a burger.
match today.
I've heard the burger from schools here, damn good.
Yeah, the pizzas too.
Yeah, you guys should try it. I guess you guys will be paying for my burger when I win with my score prediction.
Shout out to Scusi.
Oh, that was me. Just the shot to the backhand body again. Yet again, it's got the point.
I think it's a great block by Said, but he's missing it by a few inches. I think once it starts falling, I think he can fumble Sam as he did in the beginning.
Chargers dug out again. It's a massive fight so far.
Yeah, rightly so. Because
Great
of
pick
all
up
the-
by Shrikar, but good finish by
Yeah, I think he's running away from the Nandi Chargers. A few times we've seen Shrikar, I think, trying to speed up the game or popping the ball. Rightly for Soli, who's pushed it towards sits backhand again.
I feel it's a big score right now.
Great setup.
Not anymore.
You can see some celebrities on screen.
Saiti, their captain, just said switch it up, change the game. And that's how they switched it up by Sam.
Do you think
Sam
that'll be really costly for Sam, or do you think it's just
They're leading by 3 points.
it would be an interesting twist if it does cause a problem later? Great pick up by Sam, straight on his chest.
Fifth time is gone for that.
Yeah, and I think that's the pattern that they're playing right now. Is the Shrikar, the moment he pops it up or speeds out, they go ahead sit.
And it's a timeout. Some advice from the Raptors captain.
Coaching while commentating.
What a guy. What a legend.
Yeah. Rishabh was supposed to be in the commentary box, but I guess he's going to do coaching now.
And the All-Stars passing on some Djokovic traits to the players.
Let's try to figure out what Saiti or Nandi are talking
Talking
about.
about Sam on screen. What are they saying, man?
All-Star show as usual, leading by slowly.
Sam is like he's hungry.
They're ready to go on the field.
Oh, for the Chargers. What are they
Now
saying?
the Chargers are.
Rishabh is
Yeah.
like, dude, I'll drive defense.
Yes.
Forward.
Yeah.
And
I want-
it's gloves.
Absolutely. The good one. What do you think, Abhay, they should change now for the Chargers? Do you think they should go aggressive, or they change up the play, or
Yeah, I think they're being a bit passive right now, and I think they're getting a bit lost in the game. I think Sam and Suli are controlling the game and the tempo of the game as well. I think that's where they need to change it. Speed it up a bit more, be a bit more aggressive. Don't be on the
you also think they should change sides, switch sides in terms of Shrikar and Sid right in terms Sid going to the left?
possible.
During the break, our commentator Rishabh had gone and given some advice to the Nandi Chargers in terms of how to play pickleball.
Let's see if that
That's
helps.
a great point. It's so far
Not
indeed.
so much, bro.
Good point. Good
I
point to
don't know
start.
what advice you gave them, Rishabh. It's not working so far.
Start working so far, yes. Just so the people know on the stream, Rishabh, the captains of the Raptors, is graceful enough to come to the commentary box today.
He's gracing us with his presence. Royalty in the commentary box.
Oh no, I'm more than obliged to be here with you guys,
What a guy.
sharing the space.
Beautiful.
A beautiful placement by Soli. There was a missed call, but all good. Soli's happy.
Nandi thinking that ball actually went out. For a second I thought of taking the DRS, but then yeah. By the way, there are 3 DRSs today per fixture.
Oh, wow.
So if you get it successful, you get to keep the DRS. So 3 unsuccessful DRSs are part of the fixture, per fixture. Yeah. So for 6 matches you'll have.
Battle.
Yeah, per battle, yes.
Like I said, they need to take charge. Sid needs to take
Yeah.
charge, be a bit more aggressive. That's how it's going to work out for them. The moment they get passive, they're going to get lost in their own game.
Sid looking like he wants to go finish his dad coke real quick.
Give me that.
Near miss by.
A bit too eager for the dad coke.
Yes.
They're so far on point on the strategy, speeding up on Soli or giving third shot drop and coming in and then try to dominate. But
Good inside.
as long as they're at the net, I think they're charging their way up to the scoreboard. Oh, for the first time I think I've seen. Yeah, for the first time I've seen Stabda stacking. My prediction is that Sam is going to speed up on Shrikar at any given point whenever he gets there.
Such a good point so far.
Great point.
Good D from Soli.
Soli is right there on point. He's like a wall. Like a,
He's been the perfect partner for Sam. Especially after the...
Shantanu
He's
needs to answer that question from the Kirti Warriors in terms of why would they let Soli go.
I don't think the All Stars will complain about that.
Yeah.
At all.
He's definitely
Very
a
happy.
gift in disguise for All Stars.
Because we did see that issue where Sam was still trying to figure out his doubles pairing. But the moment Soli came in, there was this calmness about this pairing for sure.
Fixed a lot of it.
Striker is trying to be too nice with
So
his.
far, my predictions looking good.
I had said 15-8. You had 15. Yes.
Great point, great hands battle by all four of them. And then now they're back at thinking. Everyone is holding their calm and then thinking properly inside the Oh, nice Rashid. Oh, great pick by Sid.
Wonderful point.
One of the most exciting
Great pick by
points.
Siddharth, though, unfortunately.
Yeah. Went for the ATP, Sam.
Pop right up.
Yeah.
A great ATP by Sam. Amazing, and even more amazing pick by Siddharth.
Yeah, not probably right when he's middle of the game. I don't know. And that kind of killed the momentum because
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
now it's in his
exactly.
head that maybe I was going to be subbed out.
No, I think it was last time when Saran was subbed out, same score I think. And then from there on, they ended up winning the match. 12-8 down and they won 15-12.
Questioning the decision to sub. It's the timing of it. Or asking.
Yeah, I think they were just believing their instincts. I mean, if it happened last time, why can't it happen this time? Got the idea.
All Stars 2 points away from winning the game.
Sid being on
Yes.
on point so far, but
Yeah.
Get high.
yeah.
Really important serves right now for
Great third shot.
the Nandi Chargers.
Too good by Soli there. Not giving a chance to Nandi and Speaker. An amazing point by Siddharth, and there you go.
Sid finding his element.
Yeah.
Out goes your prediction.
Here
That is
now.
right. I miss my burger now. But I'm glad to see that Sid proving his team that he shouldn't have taken him out of the game.
Good point. There was a little miscommunication by them. I think
So
they're unhappy.
sketchy though.
Yeah. There looks like Jasko is going to. It's a little too early to say, but yeah, still.
Match point. Sam with a chance to close the game out.
Yeah, match point to the All Stars.
This will definitely be a perfect shot for All Stars and Sam as well.
There we go. All Stars off the mark with the first victory. Team Shades beats Team Diet Coke.
Finally, Samir removes his sunglasses.
I think expected.
Yeah.
Sam and Soli, I would get those burgers.
It was. I think they were at 6-6. I was a bit worried that this match might go